with a little surprise. I said, got decided. Then he asked me why that got major my mom. His word made me stop think, what a why. Honey, I carry on, you know, and never give up. So now I'm here to be your mom, and this happening made me sure I need you. For us to be tied together, get into my life. You came into my life so smoothly, so naturally. Get into my life. You came into my life so smoothly. Who wanted maybe both? A little surprise, I said, got decided. Then he asked me why that got major my mom. His word made me stop think, what a why. Honey, I carry on, you know, and never give up. So now I'm here. Just heard somebody's voice and hide it as from the world. Over the fence in the park of the night, there's a breeze we felt together. You've tried to say something to me, holding my hand so tight. The feeling and your touch still feel my heart apart, deep in my soul. Over the time, ever since this day, anything we could have trust each other.